my face cold. Let it snow. Rolly ghost. Let it snow. Say she cold. Come on up. Let it go. Let it go.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's good? Yes, your girl has a new hair color. No, I don't know how I feel about it. This is my first time doing blonde braids, so y'all give me your opinions and thoughts in the comments. I'm still getting used to it, but welcome to Michaela month. Michaela month is my rendition of Vlogmas, where most people upload every day until Christmas. My birthday is December 26th, the day after Christmas, so I like to call it Michaela month. I am planning to give you guys 5 videos a week. Basically every weekday in the month of December, I want to give you guys a video. I don't do vlogs traditionally. You might get some creative vlogs, me sewing, me painting, things like that, but I want to give you guys more tutorials, more hair videos. You guys really like my hair content, so more of that will be coming your way in December. Since December 1st is a Friday, of course I had to come and give you guys a little video. So I'm coming at you guys with something that I was been supposed to put out, my favorite silk press styling products. I'm so excited about this video. You guys saw one of my silk presses a few weeks ago. I did it on my friend with the copper hair. I did the silk press, but I didn't go in depth on the products that I use, so I just want to share with you guys some of my favorite silk press products. So that's what we're going to be getting into today. If you guys have any video recommendations, any products you'd like me to review, I know I get a lot of comments about different products that some people want me to try it out and give my opinion. I reply back to every comment, so please, I encourage comments. So if you have any video recommendations, anything you want me to try, leave it down below. You guys know I also like to do a little cooking, so if there's any recipes you'd like me to try, leave that down below also. So let's just hop right into the video. Alright y'all, so let's talk about silk presses, okay? The best silk press comes from the healthiest hair. The health of your hair does affect your silk press results. Healthy hair, hydrated hair, hair that is up to date on their trims will have the best silk press. Hands down, period, point blank, healthy hair. Now, the best silk press starts at the shampoo bowl. You guys know I'm always reviewing different shampoos. You guys know my favorite shampoo. I always give you guys a list. I've reviewed it. I love Matrix, I love Redken, I love Mazzani, Design Essentials, and Joico. Those are my magical brands. Those are what we use in the salon. Those are the things that I stand behind when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. I always start with a clarifying shampoo, and then I go in with my moisturizing shampoo. Sometimes I shampoo more than twice, but it's a 2 minimum. I'm shampooing twice on every single client. It doesn't matter when they recently washed their hair or not. I want to make sure it's clean, and I want to make sure that my products can really attach to the hair how they need to clean hair. So I'm going to shampoo twice. Now if the hair is very dirty, then I'm going to go above 2 times, because you want the hair squeaky clean and you want to get that moisture in from that second shampoo. Shampoo, you condition. I do love a deep conditioner. I'm always reviewing deep conditioners on this channel, so I do love to pair my silk press with a deep conditioner. You don't have to do that, but I've noticed in my area I get a lot of clients who come in and they haven't been taking great care of their hair, or they don't do their deep conditioners at home. So I love to include that in my hydration silk press package. Sometimes I will even do a steam treatment. To me, steaming really opens up the cuticles and allows that moisture to really dig deep into their hair to prepare it to get that silky effect when it comes to the blow drying and the flat iron. So I love a steam treatment. You guys should definitely know my favorite deep conditioners by now. If you don't, I will have it linked above. I have videos on all of this on this channel. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I'm always going to be recommending some professional products to you guys. So that is what I use. Perfect silk press starts at the shampoo bowl, but then it's continued and really solidified in your blow dry. And how good your blow dry comes from your tools and your products. So that's why today I want to share with you my favorite styling products for silk presses, okay? So let's start back from the top. It starts at the shampoo bowl. I'm shampooing 2, maybe 3 times, and then I personally will deep condition. Your client's hair doesn't really need a deep conditioner if they, let's say they just came in previously 2 weeks and they got a deep conditioner. Then of course you can just go in with whatever shampoo you use. You can just go in with that line's conditioner, condition it, you'll be fine. Maybe set them underneath the dryer if you want to just let that set a little bit longer, just to get that moisture in there for that silk press appointment. Then you take them to the chair, and now before we blow dry, I like to apply a moisturizing leave-in. So when it comes to moisturizing leave-ins, I have a few options. Everything that I'm going to be showing you guys today is lightweight and effective. And what I mean by effective is it means that they have multiple jobs Basically everything that I'm going to be showing you guys today that is a leave-in also has some heat protective factors in it. It is so important to be protecting your client's hair at every step with the heat protectant. So some of my favorite moisture leave-ins is the Mizani Miracle Milk. Now this is something that I've reviewed and I've talked about a lot. It is a staple in our salon, and let me just read you some of the benefits of this product. It's a nourishing leave-in conditioner. It's lightweight, it controls flyaways, reduces dryness, helps condition transitioning hair, adds smoothness, aids in restoring softness, gives a silky touch, helps control frizz. And then they have several strengthening benefits, several professional benefits. Literally there's 25. That's why they call this the 25 Miracle Milk. I love this product. A little goes a long way, and it's so good at hydrating the hair. This is something that I apply on every silk press, period. And this is not something that I use to detangle. I do have a detangling product. This is strictly for hydration, moisture. It's a must for a silk press. I love this product right here. It is my #1 go-to on everyone. Now, something else by Mizani that I apply pre-blow dry is the Mizani Heat Screen. Now, this product is a heat protectant spray. This product right here has heat protectant qualities in it. As you know, they say they have 25 benefits. The heat protectant isn't going to be high enough on the list of benefits for me. I want to make sure that I'm also adding in a heat protectant. This is something that you apply while wet, and it's also very lightweight. A few spritz of this in the hair and you're good. This helps to shield against heat damage for up to 450 degrees. This product also has rose water in it. I love this product a lot. I even apply this product to my lock clients because rose water is hydrating for their locks. And I like to give them some heat protector before I place them underneath the hooded dryer. I care about my client's hair and what's going into it and protecting it from all types of damage from the atmosphere, from mind heat, all that. So this product is a lightweight spray with heat protection up to 450 to help protect hair from heat damage. You get sleek and frizz controlled results with a glossy shine finish. I love these two products. If I only could recommend you guys 2 products for silk presses, it would be these. I love these products. I've even tried Mizani's heat screen, or is it heat press? I don't know, but Mizani has a silk press line and I use that too. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. This product right here is good. It is good, but I don't think it is essential. These products right here are essential. I feel like I don't always like to put a cream in their hair. Sometimes I just want a lightweight spray. But I do like the heat agent. That's what I think it's called. Mizani Heat Agent, Press Agent. Can I get it out? The Mizani Press Agent, they have this cream. That works really well too. Sometimes the smell of it kind of throws me off. So that's why I'm not recommending it to you guys. It's okay for me. I could take or leave that. I don't pick it up all the time in the salon. And I'm only going to be referring you guys to the products that are essential. Moisture, heat protectant. Very important. If you use a heat protectant that is applied after a blow dry, you know, to dry hair, that's fine also, but I like to get it in while it's wet. This is for wet hair and that's when I use it. I'm in the South, let me disclaim it. You might not need this if you are in, you know, even in Atlanta. If you are in Maryland, somewhere like that, you probably don't deal with a lot of humidity. But as for me and my household, we deal with humidity out here in Louisiana. So I've incorporated an anti-frizz product, and so far I have been using the Redken Frizz Dismiss Smooth Force. Now this is a lightweight smoothing leave-in, and this product can be applied while wet, and it's supposed to help with frizz and fighting against humidity. I do like this product for that. Will I use it every time? No. Right now it is starting to get a little bit cooler in Louisiana. So will I use this product all the time? No. It really depends on the client, how often they get their silk presses, how easy it silks out, whether I'll include this, because not everybody has a problem with frizz. I do have another product that is strictly for humidity, and we're going to get to that. So once you blow dry, you've detangled, you have found your brush of choice, whether you like to use a comb attachment on a blow dryer, or whether you like to use a paddle brush and a blow dryer, or whether you like to use a round brush and a blow dryer. That's perfectly fine. Use what works best for you. Use whatever gets the hair as straight as possible. You want to make sure that you are straightening the hair during the blow dry portion, so you don't have to use maximum heat when it comes to flat ironing. After you blow dry, like I said, if it's somewhere in Louisiana, I'm going to use Amika the Shield. You guys know me and Amika have a love-hate relationship. I dislike their prices, but some of their products are good. I will give them that. I have recently found some products that I like. This is one of them. This is an anti-humidity spray. So this spray is like an aerosol, and it helps to, you know, really give that silk press the longevity. When it comes to doing it in the summer, you can do this on damp or dry hair. I like to do it on dry hair. Anti-humidity, which is different from anti-frizz. So sometimes people's hair will frizz up and it's not even humid, so that's why I like to include this pre-blow dry. So a product that I love by Amika is this detangler. Now, does everyone need a detangler? No, but not only does this product detangle, it also gives a shine because of the silicone that's in it. Of course, you don't want to use too much of silicone because you don't want to create a buildup, but a little of this product goes a long way. This is a product that I use a little bit in everyone. I love the shine that it provides, and I love that it really helps to detangle hair that's super duper matted. Once you come from the shampoo bowl, and if your shampoo and conditioner was hydrating enough, your client's hair shouldn't be super matted if they have manageable hair, if they come to you often. Sometimes I do men's hair and it's super tangly, super matted. I run to this product and I've been having great results with it. This is the best detangler I've ever used personally. I love it. Not only does it detangle, but it adds a shine. And when it comes to silk presses, I love products that can add in a natural shine without having to put a serum or a gloss in the hair, because for certain hair types that will weigh down the hair, and people hate weighed down hair. I'm not one of those people. I like for my hair to be moisturized and I like for my hair to be shiny, so I'm gonna do what I have to do. But I know a lot of clients don't like their hair to be weighed down, so this is the key to shine for me. To me, this product even adds more shine in than this product, and they claim to have shine. To me, this is more so for moisture. It does give it like a lustrous shine, but this gives real shine, and I know this gives like a glass-like shine. They said it protects, softens, and reduces blow dry time, and it powerfully untangles any knot. Use it, mist through damp hair, then do anything. So this product also has a version of it without silicone in it. I've never used that version of it, but personally I love the one with silicone. Try the other version if you don't prefer putting silicones in your hair or your client's hair. But I love this product. I will be doing a review singularly on this, but perfect for silk presses. Okay, these are the leave-ins that I will go in between, and I'm just gonna pick when it comes to different clients and different hair types. Once you blow dry the hair, then the leave-in should like dwindle down. You should need to be applying a lot to the hair at that point. After I blow dry, the only serum that I stand behind and love right now is this Matrix Food for Soft. It's like an avocado multi-use oil serum. I love it because it's lightweight. In the past, people have been obsessed with Chi products, Silk Infusion, the one by Paul Mitchell with the green top, you know what I'm talking about, and Design Essentials. Those are all great serums. They all provide shine. They are a little bit heavier than I prefer. Not everyone wants that heavy of a serum. Of course, you can use a little bit. I do like those products. Like I said, when it comes to shine, it's these two. If I don't use this in the hair, this is definitely going to give me the shine I need. I apply this after blow drying, and it puts the silk in the silk press. This product is so lightweight, you don't even feel it on the hair. Love the smell. I also love the smell of this. This is a major key. This product is even less expensive than this one. If you have a cheaper detangler, then just go ahead and get this. You don't need this, because this is going to give you that shine you need. This can even be applied after you silk press and you want to put something else on the hair that's really lightweight. Like I said, after you blow dry, you don't want to be putting a ton of products. You don't want to be spraying a bunch of stuff in it because you want it light and flowy. After you blow dry, you curl with your curling iron and you want to rake your fingers through. Put some of that on your hands. That serum is going to do wonders. Okay, I love it. And last but not least, I know some people like to do finishing sprays. I haven't found personally a hairspray that I like. I want to start getting into Kenra's, because Kenra has a lot of hairsprays that people swear by that are still manageable. A lot of the hairsprays I have are too strong and they're going to leave the hair sticky, so I don't even apply that on my silk presses. I don't do that. But the last thing that I will apply, which is not always necessary, but if it is a wax stick. Some people do apply edge control on a silk press, not me. Use a wax stick, please. Edge control is mainly water based, so that could make their hair revert. That's what I've seen, and then that could flake up. I'd rather use a little bit of a wax stick or a little bit of Murray's Edge wax. Put that on a brush and brush that into the client's edges. I have a couple clients that have a lot of breakage in their front area, so I'll just slick that down with a wax stick and I call it a day. that's it. Okay, so I think that is all for the first video of Michaela month, vlogmas, whichever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it Michaela month though, because my birthday is in 25 days. Yes, these are the products that I recommend that I use for my silk press. Right now we are in heavy silk press season, so these are the products that I have been frequenting, what I have to keep going back to salon centric for. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you see me in the same outfit, don't say nothing. You guys know I work in the salon full time and I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff, so of course I'm going to be stocking up these videos. It's just the fact that you guys are going to actually be getting the content, 5 videos a week. I'm super excited. I hope you're excited too. I'll see you guys in my next video on Monday.